Good day. My name is Engineer Tolentino, and I'm going to do a part of the content of this book, the Book of Amazing Calculator Techniques and Shortcuts in Mathematics and Civil Engineering. Okay, let me start by doing a technique of integration. Let me integrate integral of x squared e to the 2x dx. Of course, this can be done using integration by parts, but let us modify the integration. Okay, this is the method. Put x squared there and e to the 2x there. Get the derivative of x squared, that is 2x. Get the derivative of 2x, that is 2. Get the derivative of 2, that is 0, and stop there. Get the integral of e to the 2x, that is 1 half e to the 2x. Get the integral of 1 half e to the 2x, that is 1/4 e to the 2x. And get the integral of 1/4 e to the 2x, that is 1/8 e to the 2x. Then do this method, alternate the sign plus, minus, and plus, and now multiply. Now we're now prepared to integrate. Multiply x squared times 1 half e to the 2x, that is 1 half x squared e to the 2x. Multiply 2x and negative 1/4, that is negative 1 half x e to the 2x, and 2 times 1/8 is plus 1/4 e to the 2x, and then plus c. Alright, that is the integral. Another way to do it is set the inverse operator of 1 over d plus whatever is the exponent there is put it there, d plus 2 of x squared. Okay, and then just multiply this by e to the 2x. That will be the integral of x squared e to the 2x. So this will be e to the 2x. Okay, now notice a formula, 1 over d plus a is equal to 1 over a, 1 minus d over a plus d squared over a squared minus, and so on. Look at that pattern. So this is e to the 2x times 1 over a2 times 1 minus. Now we get the derivative. Okay, so we only need these three derivatives here: first, second, the original function, first and second derivative. So we have 1 minus the derivative of x squared is 2x divided by a is 2, plus the second derivative is 2 over 2 squared is 4. So this will give you e to the 2x 1 half minus also 1 half x plus 1/4. So the derivative now, okay, the integral now is 1 half e to the 2x, and then minus 1 half x e to the 2x plus 1/4 e to the 2x plus c. Now this will give you the integral, okay, which is the same as this one.